Old style Ford. They never die, they just go mud. Hang on to it, baby. Hang on. What you doing? Something up his sleeve. Hang on, there you go. Stay with it, Joe. Stay with it. Yo, carry him on! Carry him on! There you go, Joe. There you go. What's he gonna do next? Oh, great day alive! Dollar signs everywhere! It lasted one truck! One truck! Alright, check him out! Check him out! Check him out! He's thinking! He's thinking! Oh! Is he gonna do it? Is he gonna do it? History will be made right here! Nobody's ever done a backwards flip. No one at all. Joe Bishop Wilson. Not quite enough. Y'all, please give it up one time for Mr. Joe Bishop. New York State Off-Road Park, trucks go wild. Great job there, Joe. He wanted to set the bar. He did. All right, you can get a good look at it now. He's all right. He'll get it going back going. Get it, boy! Get it, get it, get it! He's not finished yet! Oh no, he's not finished yet! It's freestyle! Yeah! Freestyle, whatever you want to do it up! Game on, game on, game! New York State Open! Woo! Oh, he's thinking! He's thinking! He's thinking! Does he do it? Does he do it? Oh, he's thinking! I think y'all got to cheer him on! I think he's looking for your response! Should he do it? Should he do it? 10 minutes! 30-30! Is he going to do it? Here we go! He got it! He got it! He got it! Woo! Cut the switch off! Cut the switch off! And y'all give it up one time for 10 minutes! Woo! Man! That's like 1.5. Woo! How y'all like that? Man, yeah! Well, that's what happens when you take a square body, and it's not the one flip that did it. It was that other half. You know, you go back and get that little extra, and that's what he got. But what got me was the air that... Woo! Makes an interest. What a weight. Kind of lean. towards that right side, not sure. Little truck issue going on. We'll have to check that out. On it though. Flat out on it.
Yeah, truck be flying like that. You got one truck thing. Get Mary first going.
That right rear, not operating. He's still on it though.
One shot.
I think he's not. He wants to keep going. I don't know. Woo, man. Oh, hang on. Woo. Uh-oh. Oh, drive shaft. Rear drive shaft. Answer right there. Looking good, looking good. Go, go. He boys on it. He boys on it. Woo! Do it again, do it again. He's the first one to hit the starter from backside. No time limit. Whatever he wants. Stay with it, Dan. Oh, yeah. If there's anybody that's going to hit a ramp from an opposite side, it's going to be Dan Dubois. No two ways about it. Seen him do it too many times. On the track, here he comes. Watch it. Yeah. Throwing it in that time, man. Making history. New York State Off-Road Park. Trucks go wild. Get it, get it, get it, get it, get it, get it. Go big or go home, and he's still here. Oh, looking good. Chevrolet. Bow tie gauge. Woo! Cut the switch off! Cut the switch off! Cut the switch off! Y'all give it up one time for Mr. Kenny Bigelow! Woo! Woo! Y'all did it! Y'all did it! He's going for y'all! It's all about the fans! It's all about the fans! Woo! That is, you're a big wrestling fan. If you go to a wrestling match and everybody gets carted off on a stretcher, that was some serious hits going on there.
Yeah, that was a heavy deal. That's worth the price of admission alone, no doubt. Hey man, here you were talking about the judging, Dave, so here's what I'm going to do after Trevor goes. I'm going to go down there with each one because it's all about the drivers who are doing the judging, so I'm going to check in with them individually. They know to give me one name that is not themselves, and then it shouldn't take long. I know they're all down there. I don't have to hunt them down or anything. I'll find them, and I'll figure out who the winner is, and I will relay that to you as quickly as I possibly can. Cool.
That sounds good. Now, getting back on that wrestling analogy, every one of these guys came off the top rope. They came off the roof from the stadium.
This is like a steel cage death match kind of going on out here this afternoon, you know?
I like the way that you put steel in there. I knew you. That's awesome, awesome. That's why you're a professional. Awesome. Great job. Great job. All right.